Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You open OneNote and create a notebook named for your team or project so everything stays centralized. Once created, add sections like meetings, projects, and references to mirror your workflow. Use section groups if multiple subteams exist. Make sure to enable OneDrive Sync immediately and set sharing permissions. Grant view or edit to the right people. This prevents duplicate files and keeps real-time updates. You're now ready to capture notes consistently and invite collaborators without chasing attachments. You structure work by using pages for each meeting or task and apply a template so headers and action items are consistent. Once you're taking notes, tag lines as to do, important, or question so you can filter and create a follow-up list quickly. Insert files, screenshots, and short audio records when detail matters, and then link related pages to avoid duplication. This makes information searchable and actionable, so teammates can find the latest decisions or attachments without guessing where things live. You finish by reviewing pages for action items and using page versions to restore or audit past edits when needed. Once reviewed, share or export key pages or entire sections to PDF for formal distribution or archiving, making sure permissions match your audience. If something goes wrong, force a sync, check OneDrive storage limits, and sign out then back in. This usually clears conflicts. If a page won't load, copy content to a new page and continue. Don't let a single error block the workflow.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.